Now that we have seen the data wrangling process, now let us see some examples from where we can take a noise and convert it into some meaningful information. Let us take an example of a PDF invoice. So this is the PDF, the file format, and using this PDF we extract the information. See here the date information, the information of customer address, and it has been arranged now into the row and column format. See here, in this format you can see the columns. I can differentiate for you. So the first one is company column, second one is address, third one is bill to, fourth one is customer address and invoice, and the date at which the invoice has created, the subtotal information. So you can clearly see we took this information and we converted it into something that is more structured way. So that is what the data munging or data transformation looks like. So you are essentially converting your noise or your information, your data, that is raw data, into the format which can be used into the machine learning project. Because if you remember, this is in the PDF format, which is essentially this file. Now how can you use this file into the machine learning project? It is next to impossible. So rather than using this directly into the machine learning model, we convert it into the format which can be used to the machine learning model. Because you can see now this is the format we can use into the machine learning project, because this is in the row and column format. This is the structured format. Similarly, we can take an example of the image. So this is the image file, and from this image file I'm going to extract only the text using this module. Like I'm going to use Python, TExtract and Tesseract. So using these three modules, Python being a language, so we extract the text from it. So text extract dot process and give the file name, and the method is Tesseract OCR. So this is the method, and using this method I got the extraction of a text only right here. So now previously you can see our file format was image file. Now from the image file I just extract the meaningful information that can be used for machine learning model. This is just example. Let us say I have an image that contains too much of a text, then I can just extract that text, use it in machine learning model and do several tasks. We can take a simple example of it. Let us say I'm making a machine learning model where the user or a customer who is using my app will take a photo of some mathematical equation. Let us say in their copy, in their textbook, they have some mathematical equation. Let's say x plus 4 equal what? So instead of x, I'll just put here that is instead of x, it is simple arithmetic operation 6 plus 4. So this is simple mathematical operation they want to perform. Now this will be image. So the user of my app will take a photo of it and it will give us to our model. Now our model will extract the text from this image. It will extract 6 and 4 and this plus operator. Now our machine learning model will perform the addition and it will give the output to the user that is using my app. So this way I can use the concept of pre-processing as a way to build the model. So this is how data munging or data wrangling take place. You take the raw information and you convert it into some meaningful data that can be used in machine learning model or machine learning project. Now first step is to understand your data. See here, this is the textual data. It is a text, it's a string. Looks like my V8 Chevy is running low on fuel. Didn't I fill up just a day before? So you can see it is unstructured because you can see it is not in the format. It is not in structure format. Now, if I have the same information, let's say, in this format, I have in this row and column format. See here, the column represents the attribute and the row represents the observation. Now you can see this is a structured format now here. So this is a structured because I have represented my data into the format which can be easy for me to access to use machine learning model. So this is the structured format, and simple, this one is unstructured format. Similarly, let us take a simple example to illustrate the structured on unstructured. It don't necessarily have to be in this row and column format. Let us take simple example here. So you can see this data of mine is unstructured. I cannot get relevant information from here. But using this same data, what if I just filter it out, saying that only extract the 3 word from each of this sentence. From all of this sentence, only extract the first 3 words. So here you can see I have just splitted. So the first 3 word has been splitted, and next 3 word, or not a word but letter. So in this case, the next 3 letter, alphabetical letter, and again next 3 letter. Now you have some structured, because now each of these represents 3 letter or alphabet. Now it is structured. It is into some format. So just remember, if we don't have any format, then that is unstructured. If we represent our data into some format, then it is structured. So structured here means a format. You have your data into some format, it is structured. If data is just random, it is not inside some format, then it is called as unstructured data. And now all the world, all the real data are in the form of unstructured data, like this text information. If you have any social media sites, let's say you use the Twitter, then you can see the tweet of any person is unstructured because that is simply a text. So that means in the internet, it is producing so many unstructured data. So it is very hard for us to convert unstructured data into the structured data or into some meaningful insights. So that is our problem related to big data. So that is all in this video. We are going to explore some other topics like outliers and missing values in the next one.